Hey plant lovers! If your aloe vera is looking more like a soggy mess or a dried up relic than the healing powerhouse it's meant to be, don't worry, you can still bring it back to life. In this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to revive your struggling aloe vera step by step. First, let's figure out why your aloe is dying. This is super important because the wrong fix can actually make things worse. If the leaves are mushy, yellow, or brown, chances are you've been overwatering and possibly dealing with root rot. If the leaves are crispy and curling, then you might be underwatering or giving it too much direct sun. And if the leaves are stretched out and thin, it's likely not getting enough light. Once you know what you're dealing with, grab a pair of clean scissors or a knife and start trimming off the damaged leaves. If they're mushy or dried out beyond saving, they're only draining energy from the healthy parts of the plant. Cut close to the base, but be careful not to damage any healthy leaves or the center rosette. Now, gently take the aloe out of its pot and shake off the soil. Look at the roots. If you see any that are black, mushy, or smell funky, that's root rot. Cut those off with sterilized scissors. Then, and this is important, let the plant air dry for at least a day so the cuts can callus over. This helps prevent more rot when you repot it. Next, you'll want to give your aloe a fresh start. Use a cactus or succulent soil mix, something well-draining. You can even mix in sand or perlite if you want to go the extra mile. And don't forget, a pot with a drainage hole is non-negotiable. Aloe hates sitting in water. One of the most common mistakes with aloe is watering too often. This plant stores water in its leaves and prefers to dry out completely between waterings. Depending on your climate, this could mean every 2 to 3 weeks, or even less in winter. Always check the soil first before watering again. Aloe vera loves bright, indirect sunlight. If it's inside, place it near a south or west-facing window. If it's outside, make sure it's protected from scorching afternoon rays. Too little light makes it stretch and weaken, while too much can scorch the leaves. Reviving aloe takes patience, but if you've cleaned it up, repotted it right, and adjusted your care routine, you'll start to see new healthy growth in a few weeks to a couple of months. It's incredibly rewarding to bring a plant back from the brink. So if your aloe is looking rough, don't toss it. Give it a second chance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow plant lovers. Got questions about your specific plant? Drop a comment below. I've got you.